Check out Union Pacific, and on the back of it is the CEOs and the vice presidents and the presidents in the back of that train. They're checking out the tracks, seeing how everything looks. That's why they're going so slow, and they have cameras, and they look at the town too, maybe to invest here in Boron. That's pretty cool. They do that a lot over here. Even BNSF comes over here. And they do the same thing, you know, they come check out the track and come check out the town. Yeah, that's pretty cool though. Later.